Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah. Today I bring for you curls hairstyle, how to put on curls on your hair. So you're going to find it here, and if your first time to find this channel, don't forget subscribe, comment, like and share for more beautiful hairstyle, different hairstyle for black woman. So guys, different hairstyle for girls. Okay guys, so if you want to look good, look more beautiful, look elegant, I hope you're going to find it here, different hairstyle. So guys, you can see this. It's really so cute, beautiful, and simple. You're going to see this. It's really so quick. The same thing and beautiful. If you want something makes you feel uncomfortable, or if you don't want it to longer, you can use this hairstyle. You can use these curls to look so beautiful. Okay guys, you can see, and I suggest you, I want to give you some advice. So to put the girl oils on your hair, I hope it's not good. So you can see this girl, she's put girl, but it's not too much. It's better to put a little girls, or to find something nice girl. So guys, this is really so beautiful. You can see this. You're going to see this transformation. You're going to see this transformation. You see her hair, it's going to return to become like, she's going to get curls on her hair. It's really so beautiful. And once again, welcome to my channel. Don't forget subscribe, comment and like if you're first time to find this channel. So I'm always here to share beautiful hairstyle, to share hairstyle for girls, for black women. So guys, this is really so beautiful. This is really so nice, and other thing, it's so quick. So you can see her. She's really looked so beautiful. What about this one, guys? It's really so beautiful. Girls, black girls. This is so really quick, beautiful, and so nice. So I hope you're going to like it. Enjoy the video up to end, and the other way, don't forget comment, like, subscribe this video. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. Just I bring for you beautiful hairstyle, beautiful curls hairstyle. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. God bless you more. If you like the video, if you find here something good on your hair, God bless you more. Enjoy the video up to end. I love you so much guys. Enjoy the video.